Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blajil. In this video I will show you how you can download Adobe Premeire Rush video on your mobile phone even if it is incompatible with your Android smartphone. As you can see on the screen that this application is actually incompatible with my smartphone, but I have still installed it. So let me show you. All you need to do is to go to Google, and after Adobe Premeire Rush click APK Moody, then click on the first link you are being shown on the screen, and after that you will be shown this interface. You need to scroll down and click on download button, then again scroll down and click on the first link of Adobe Premeire Rush, and after few seconds it will give you a link to download the Adobe Premeire Rush video editor APK. As you can see on the screen, we have been given this download button, so I have already downloaded it. Let me show you in my downloads. So here it is, almost 170 MB file, and after clicking on it I have already installed it as well to save the time. And here, as you can see, it has been installed successfully, and it seems to be working pretty fine. And let's create new project. After clicking on it, you will be shown to all the videos you need to edit from your gallery, etc. So that's all guys. If you need more such video, like and share.